Today we're in the home of Alexandra Farah, who is a Central Coast artist and also happens to be one of my really good friends. So you may have heard her name before, as we've done lots of collaborations together. We started with a shell wall sticker collaboration for our kids' room, which we went on to sell in our homeware store and has been so popular and still is to this day. We then went on to do a surf print range, which is personally my favourite. And we have since done a fin wall sticker collaboration, and again, I love the retro feel of this. We've taken this into our kids' room and I'm really excited to see how that goes on our web store, because I love seeing how everyone interprets those within their own home.
I'm currently working from an in-home studio. With the kids growing up, I'm going to move that out the back and we're going to do a little makeover in here.
So I know that in a couple of years' time you do want to extend, so we're going to do a super simple, cost-effective makeover using paint, and we're going to be inspired by Alex's kitchen tiles. So we'll use the coloursmith reader to do that. So let's go have a play.
That's beautiful. I'm loving the original one we just got then.
Yeah, I am too. Well, Alex, you've created so many beautiful things in this space, but it is time to clear it out and start afresh.
Let's go.
Recruited some extra help. We've got the boys here and it's working bee vibes. I love these type of days because stuff gets done. And basically we're just going over the wall and filling in any imperfections and making sure that it's all nice and smooth, because our paint is only as good as our prep.
So what we've got is some 120 grit sandpaper just folded in half, and we're literally just feeling for any lumps and bumps. When you feel them, we'll just take them straight out. Easy as that.
The beauty of the coloursmith reader is that you can play around and really have some fun with colour and make it your own. So I've created 6 different colours here, and we've had a play around with these. So this one Alex has named Smoke Bush, which I'm really loving, and we've decided to paint this from 1200 down, and then above that we're using pearl stone, and we're going to run this all the way along above the door. And then we are going to have some fun with the dining table and use this beautiful colour for the legs. Let's go.
Alright, so we got some colour going on. Now the bottom colour, we're doing 2 coats of this, and we've set up our laser line to make sure that that bottom colour goes up above that. Then once that's dry, we will actually tape along that laser line and bring that top colour down onto that, so you get a nice crisp finish.
We are finishing off the second coat on our bottom colour, and then we're going to wait for that to dry, tape up and do our top colour. Now our biggest tip here would be to make sure that it is actually completely dry before you're taping up.
Now that we've got our line taped on nice and straight, I'm using the bottom colour to paint over the top line of that tape, so that that will prevent the new colour from bleeding underneath.
So we've painted over our tape and this is now completely dry, so it is time to start our top colour and bring that down over the top. So this is the last of the first coat. We'll wait for this to dry, do a second coat, carefully peel our tape off, and we are ready to start. Look at that.
So crisp.
I'm pumped on this line. You don't get any neater than that. After a hard day of painting, you want a crisp line like that. And there we have it, a fresh dining nook for Alex with some beautiful earthy colours. I love that a home can evolve over time with colour, and I love that we've created this beautiful space for Alex to enjoy with her family. We love collaborating with Alex, and I can't wait to see her art evolve and see where her journey takes